Hello, my name is Tim Naylor and I'm here to talk to you about the cross-matching software for whom the developer is Tom Wilson. The user story for cross-matching is clear. The user wants matches in other surveys and it has a wide audience. The problem is that classical one-arc-second error circles won't work for LSST due to the crowding, and the headline figure is that 1 in 4 error circles will have a random star in them at single visit depths at L equals 50 and B equals 5 in galactic coordinates. You could argue that therefore we need to use a smaller error circle, but the problem is that the catalogue uncertainties are broadened by unknown proper motions, and the positions of the stars are tugged by faint companions, so the uncertainties are underestimated, and other subtle effects. So actually, we of course want to use those uncertainties not in error circles, but also in a proper Bayesian framework. So this is original software which wraps all this knowledge up and gives you tables of Rubin to legacy survey cross matches. And this is part of the UK's in-kind contribution. TVS is the recipient group. Our recent progress is that we have an algorithm for predicting the proper motion distribution or distribution of proper motions as a function of magnitude and position. And that's in the RAS Techniques and Instrument journal review process. We have a model for predicting the galaxy count to measure those tugs on stars, which will then add to the models of galaxy star counts. And that's another paper by Tom Wilson in AAS Research Notes. Still to do is parallelizing the code because it uses a large amount of compute time, integrating those above two algorithms, and running it on legacy catalogs prior to LSST data arriving to show that it really does work. Our current funding runs out at end of March 2023, but we have applied for funding to put all the matches to a single LSST object into one file. So you see all the other surveys, that's called a super match, and then doing the converse, which is finding missing objects between the two surveys.